Hi everybody, it's your favorite girl, Mama. Okay, Eid Mubarak. I love Salah. I love celebrating Salah, but Salah the right times for me. Like I don't know that it's the food or it's the so much meat around, but Salah is just the best. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you my Eid makeup. I hope you enjoy. How is your Salah going? I'm having fun. My friends are coming over today, so I guess it's going to be fun. Okay, so the next I'm going to do is to apply our primer. So what the primer does is that hold our makeup together and also help protect our skin. That's what basically what primer does. So I'm going to go out with my friends today for a little while. They're going to come over first, then after a little while we go out and have fun. Not so much fun, but just keep going to other friends' house. Okay, so we're done cooking, preparing for my guests. If you're coming today, you should feel important because everything prepared was made out of love and joy. Okay, so the first I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my foundation. This is my foundation. So I'm going to go in with my foundation. So it's going to be almost like my previous video. I'm not going to be doing the whole highlighting because I'm not going anywhere serious and I don't want to overshine my strength. So I'm going to just go in with my foundation and my normal foundation. So I'm going to start from under, applying it in a circular motion so it enters, going into my skin and also looks blended. A foundation brush. This is our foundation brush. The foundation brush is the one that looks fluffy, really fluffy and dense. So today I'm not going in with I decided to use my brush so we can see something different instead of having to go in with my sponge again, doing the same thing I did the last time. So today is Salah. Okay, so my house, Salah is like a very big tradition. Like we have these things we do for Salah. We cook. Yeah, basically we cook, and cooking is another work on its own. So, but I guess we're used to it already, so we don't get too tired at the end of the day. But it's nice. It's nice to see that people come to you and end up having, I enjoy my Salah. I miss your food. Things like that is really nice to hear, really. So I hope you all enjoyed the Salah like the way I enjoy my Salah. Like not just the Salah, every year I enjoy Salah. Because it's just, and again the whole intent of the celebration. It's nice. Like it's a little strange. I don't know why the brush is shading. But sometimes you can most of us might have a problem like this because it has to do with the way you wash your brushes. And also when you wash your brushes, if you should wash your brushes and you leave it like this standing, it reduces the glue hold on it. So sometimes it can help shred our brush. And also when you're washing, the way you're scrubbing it on your surface, on the full surface on your hand can also reduce our foundation and the strength of our brush, so it causes shredding. So this being done, I'm going to come in with my powder, my setting powder, just to mattify out my face a little bit so I don't look all not on fleek. Alright, so every Salah, especially the second day of Salah, I invite my friends over just to have fun. Some of my friends that I haven't seen for a while. I invite some of my friends from school, some of my new friends. We just come over, we have fun, we have games, we gist, we get to know each other more because trust me, most of my friends are connected, because when you come to my house, okay, this meet this, things like that happen. So it's usually fun. Most of them look forward to salad so they can come to my house and eat free food and free meat. It's nice. Alright, so I'm done. Okay, I forgot. This is my powder brush. So this is not the same with this. This looks more dense, and this is not as dense as this, but it's also fluffy. So the intent is just the fluffier it is, the more it can spread. So I'm just why we use this for powder brush, so it spreads on our face easily. So I'm going to come in with my powder, and this is my light powder, by the way. Sometimes when I go to people's house and I see them being all casual, like it's just like a very normal day, I'm like, oh my god, I'm not used to this. I'm not used to things like that. So my house wake up really early. Sometimes wake up like 5 just to start cooking, because my mom doesn't like it when people come back from work and there's no food is not ready yet. So wake up by 5 to start preparing. And like I said, we feed, like not really feed them, but most people in the area around us where I stay come to eat in my house Salah morning. So after work they all come down to my house to eat. So she doesn't like it when they come, food is not ready. We cook amala, we cook sembo, and okay, so that's it for this one. Then we make rice. So for the people that don't want to eat swallow, that's for them. Then also then for this soup we make egusi. Oh my god, if you want to taste my mom's egusi is the best you've ever eaten in your life. So like some people come just because of her egusi. Then we also make ewedu. Yeah, I'm not Yoruba, by the way. I know most people would think I'm Yoruba, because I'm going to come in now with my setting powder. So I noticed some of us use a dry sponge. Your sponge has to be damp, like not wet, not dripping wet, because you know how pieces water is not going to come in. But you just wet it a little bit in with our sponge. So please don't make sure you're using your sponge. Please, because I beg you, please wash your and wet your sponge. I also don't use dirty sponge, because it's just going to spoil your sponge at the end of the day. Apart from it not being good for your skin, it's going to spoil your sponge. So please wet your sponge before using. So the next I'm going to do now is to my brows. So because like I said, I don't over outshine my friends, be it that I'm the one celebrating Salah. Doesn't mean I should not look fine, but I don't outshine them. So they don't get jealous. Let me give them a little space to, enjoy a little limelight where I am. Alright, so I'm just going to do a very little brow. I don't want to do too much. Trust me, after fasting, you don't just adjust immediately. Like when people just say, "Hi, you're finishing fasting today, so you get to start eating." Like throughout the day, I had to keep reminding myself I was not fasting and taking water. Like I still felt like I was fasting, because I spent 1 month doing that. So I think I need a little time to adjust to not fasting. I'm thinking, should I conceal? Should I not conceal? I really don't want to make my friends look like they're escorting me. Well, which I would like, but it shouldn't be that obvious, right? Should we pity them? One like my house is like a wedding. Most people when they come in, like, is someone getting married here? We use these big pots, we use firewood and all that. So it's funny, and this is always an event to look forward to, because it's fun, like I said. Okay, so I'm going to come in now with my concealer brush, just using my light shade of foundation. Sometimes you don't have a defined concealer brush, so you just pick a brush that is straight. That means you can get a really straight line from. So, but most people like coming to my house with big salad because there's so much meat. Like, have you ever gotten tired of eating meat? Like meat jagaban. I get tired of eating meat. Like it's that bad. Oh god, like this meat everywhere, and now that's like after sharing so much, so much meat. So I'm doing a red lips. A red lips. Me, I'm wearing a red lips today. My friend is like, it's a very weird thing to see me when I never use red lips. I don't know why. I just have this feeling that it won't look good on me. But today I'm going to try a red lips because the team of today's of this year's Stella is Pepper Them Gang. So I'm definitely going to use the red lips today. Everybody's going to be surprised. That I know of. But you know, it's Hala. I think I won't start coming anytime from now. The time was supposed to be, the coming time was 12. But being my friends, I know them, they know me, we know each other in our hearts. They're not going to come 12. So I'm going to expect them by 1. Don't just close my mind. But well, 1, there some might surprise me. They might decide to surprise me. Even here, people have changed. I doubt will they have. Well, okay, I'm done with my brows and I'm going to blend. So I don't know, I just still don't know the eyeshadow to do. I don't want to prepare them too much. I don't want to go all out. So okay, you know what? I'm going to go not all out, but I'm going to go out. I'm going to look good since I'm looking good in the business already. Not all out because I'm doing a bold lips. A bold lips, yes. Red lips is bold for me. Trust me, red lips is really bold. So I'm going to come in with my eyeshadow. So okay, your eyeshadow brush is usually the fluffy brush you have. Anything fluffy, you can see how fluffy this is. So why we need a fluffy brush for easy blending? Oh mama, you're in my video. Come on, say hi. Beautiful mom. I know she looks like my other sister, but she's my mom. I know she's pretty. Where did you think all this beautiful, all this fineness came from? Of course, I have beautiful parents. So, Roger, I'll come and do it for you. She came for her own makeup. This is my mother. Okay, so I'm just going to come in with my. I want to use a little shine. I'm just going to spray my pigment a little bit. I noticed the shine is not coming out where I want it to. So I'm just going to, you can just use your setting spray. Can you see the difference? What's the team? Pepper them. Team is pepper them, so I think I'm okay with. Oh god, they don't know. They don't know what's going on. Excuse me, it's looking beautiful with crime because I'm ready to get arrested. Arrest me! Oh god. Yeah, it's me. They said say hi because I don't care. I'm going to kill them or not. Like, just people should just tell me the truth. Am I going to kill them or not? Like, they don't know. They're not prepared. So this is another lesson. You can clean out your being your messed up, your messed up lining. Just using your concealer color. Excuse me, can I steal your hat? Because it's beautiful. Done with my eyes. I'm just going to come in with my powder to finish it off. Oh please don't forget to like and subscribe my video. I'm serious. Like this is no joke. Please like and subscribe my video. Please. Thank you. I know you're going to do it. Like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what I should do next. So I'm going to close. So I used to have this. Oh, I've smashed my eyes. Let's clean that out. So I used to have this very, very scattered and unarranged eyelashes. So if you do have a problem like that, all you can do is just keep applying your mascara. Like every day, I kept applying mascara every day. So that helps to straighten your eyelashes. It really helps me. Although it's not as long as my sister's one. It's not beef, but I think I can manage this. At least I'm still finer than all of them. It should be that. Whenever you're cleaning something from your face, please and please don't use wipes. Especially on the parts that you applied shadow or you've applied foundation or you've applied powder. Just come in with your concealer brush, your concealer, and just clean it out. Then it means you ask them applying something else on it to bring it back. Fine, but don't use wipes because it's just going to, trust me, it's going to make matters worse. It's there. So it's time for red lips. Hello, hi. No, just admit it. Oh God, is this a crime? It's not supposed to be a crime, guys, because if it's a crime, I've gotten arrested. It's not my fault. Okay, before the first time I'm trying red lips or colored lips, so we'll start with apart from nude and lip gloss. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it for myself. Now my guests have started arriving. Well, they started calling. I told you guys, I know my friends. So I'm going to go outside, take some pictures, and come back. I hope you loved and I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully I get some bomb pictures, but thank you so much for staying and watching. I hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to share your and don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. And subscribe, most importantly. Thank you.